So guys, my Vantro phone cannon used to give me some errors. Like my machine used to trip whenever I used to connect this foam cannon. So I sent that foam cannon back to Vantro. They said send it back to us, and they provided me this replacement unit just now. Hope it's brand new. You can see it's from Vantro. I'm thankful to the company that they took care of it and sent me the replacement as it's in warranty. I don't know what went wrong with the previous unit, but it used to trip my pressure washer. Okay, so they have not sent me it in original box. This is some generic box. It's okay. I just hope everything is in good shape. This definitely doesn't look like a brand new. So let me show you the close view of the replacement unit. You can see some rusting or joint kind of thing over here. Also, this thing is not good. I'm not sure if this is my set or someone else. This is its quick connector tool. It locks like this. This is the hose pipe. You can see some dirt over here as well. Why Vantro? You could have provided the brand new pack piece. I regret sending them my old unit now. So you are supposed to plug in the pipe like this over here. This is how it looks. Let me bring my gun. So this is my gun of Inco machine. So this is the pressure washer. I mean the nozzle which came with my gun. This is how it fits. Okay, and this is quick release tool. I'll release it and I will connect this one. This is how it is supposed to be used. Now next video I will show if it's working or not. So this is new foam cannon. I mean replaced foam cannon, refurbished. But the foam is not thick as it was before, you can see. It's working, but I am not satisfied. The previous one was very good. See this. Also the spread is not correct. It's being spread everywhere. Doable but not recommended.